Next topic is circle through 3 points. Suppose we have to see from one point, a single point, how many circle can pass. We can see in this figure, infinite number of circle can pass. Infinite number of circle can pass through a single point. Suppose we make more than one point, 2 points. There are 2 points P and Q. How many circle can pass through P and Q? Again, lot of different radius. Any circle can pass through point P and Q. Suppose, how we can say that? Suppose this is point P, this is point P, and this is point Q, P, Q. Okay, and here is one circle. Suppose if this circle is going to pass, if circle is going to pass through this point, so a circle will pass through this point. These 2 points will somehow, if we move this circle, so this 2 points will somehow lie on the circle. Okay, if circle is different one, if we draw a different circle, okay, and if we check this circle, this will also pass through these 2 points. So for 2 points, or from this side, so from 2 points, n number of, or infinite number of circle can pass. From 2 points also, infinite number of circles can pass, infinite numbers. Okay, infinite number of circle can pass. So if we talk about 3 points, if those 3 points P, Q, if we talk about 3 points, suppose this is a circle, this circle is to pass, if this line pass through this circle, so point P, point Q, and point R, if these 2 points, these 3 points are collinear, if 3 points are collinear, then the circle maximum can pass to the 3 points. Third point will either lie outside or somewhere inside the circle. But if the 3 points are non-collinear, so there are 3 points P, Q, R. Okay, these 3 non-collinear points, we connected these points. Now if we draw perpendicular bisector, perpendicular bisectors of line PQ and QR, PQ and QR. So a perpendicular bisector of line PQ will be somehow like this, and perpendicular bisector of line QR will be like this. So these 2 bisector will cut in on some point, suppose name O. So from this point O, this point P and Q are at the same distance. From any point on perpendicular bisector, from any point on perpendicular bisector, the ends of line segment are at equal distance, are at equal distance. What does it mean? It means that this P and this Q are always at the same distance from O. It means that this OP and OQ, OP and OQ will be of same length. Similarly, we can write OP is equal to OQ. Similarly, we have another perpendicular bisector, this one of the bisector of QR. So here OQ and OR, OQ and OR, OQ and OR are of same length. So OQ is equal to OR. So we have, from here we have OP is equal to OQ is equal to OR. So now if we draw a circle taking this point O as the center and OP or OQ or OR as a radius, so this circle will pass through these points, through these 3 points, and this will be a unique circle. Why this will be a unique circle? Because perpendicular bisectors, because these perpendicular bisectors can cut only on a single point. So the circle passes through these 3 points will be a unique circle. So from 3 points we can draw only and only one circle. Okay. This is one more theorem which we have proved already. There is one and only one circle passing through 3 given non-collinear points. So when the theorem comes, just before we have explained how a circle passes, a unique circle passes through the points, but when it comes in the form of theorem, how you have to prove? Just take any 3 points, 1, 2, 3, connect them. These are the points P, Q, R. Now draw their perpendicular bisectors. Now draw perpendicular bisectors to QP and QR. So we have drawn perpendicular bisectors to QP and QR which intersects at a point O. This is suppose OD and this is OB. Perpendicular bisectors are OB and OD. As we know that each point on perpendicular bisector is at equal distance from the end points of line segment. Okay, you have to write some theory in this case. What we are saying? We are saying that any from these 2 points, any point on this perpendicular bisector will be of equal distance. Suppose if we draw 2 lines here, this point, so if this is something O dash, so O dash, this is just for explanation, you don't have to draw in this theorem. O dash P will be O dash Q. So similarly OP will be equal to OQ. So OP is equal to OQ, and similarly this OQ, this is also perpendicular bisector, so this point O will be of same distance from Q and R, so OQ is equal to OR. Similarly OQ is equal to OR. So if we take O as the center of the circle, and take OP as radius and draw a circle, then this circle will pass through OP, that will circle will pass through P, Q and R as perpendicular bisectors can bisect at only one point. So only one such circle can be drawn. Okay, when there is not much to prove, so you have to prove by the theory. Okay, in maths not always the triangles and angles will work. Sometime you have to write the theory when you don't show that thing on pen paper, so you have to write in language how you are going to prove this theorem. Okay, so we have proved this theorem that one and only one circle passing through given non-collinear points.